Finna have a dove murdering today, boys.
We back in the speakers, back in black, getting blasted in the bleachers. It's probably true what my mama said. I do it just like my daddy did. We back in the saddle, back on stage, making the whole place rattle. Back with the 18 train on the track. Thought we were gone, but you're wrong. Now it's on. We back.
Maybe we're not going to have a dove murder. Here we go.
Gonna be a banger.
It's gonna be a banger. I'm thinking we just pull the mule right there. That fence post. Hey, get up off the ground.
That's unlucky.
I know, that sucks. We pulled in, there was a couple hundred birds on the fence right down here. Tweety bird got me. Yeah, shooting at it. Anyways, had a little rainstorm come through before we got started.
There's one coming right down here. Yeah. Is he turning, Griffin?
Let's see.
Of course he's not coming.
Around us. Look at all of them coming out.
They real high. They real high.
Let's see if we can tear into them.
Which one?
All of them. No.
They were a little high.
Too high. I don't know, he creamed that one.
They were way up there.
No way Caleb hit that. It's water. It's not Jim Beam. It's not Jim Beam, it's water. It's the only water bottle we can find.
What is it?
He can't shoot. He can't shoot. He shoots at him like 100 yards out, I swear. You don't let him get in, he's just blowing loads out there.
Pause.
Look, Caleb, look. I know. He's shooting like 100 yards away. Okay.
Hello?
You know the point of shooting birds is to let them like come into you, not shoot them 100 yards out.
Yeah, I know. They just flying away from it. They ain't coming back. I mean,
I'm just over here laughing myself.
I mean, if I don't shoot, Craig's gonna shoot. So.
Alright, well, you do you then, brother. But they like, good luck. If you kill one of them, I give you a kiss on the cheek.
I've got one, you know.
Yeah, no, it was right on top of you.
There's one high. Two.
Over there.
Yeah, two high.
Ain't nobody gonna hit that bird.
Are we gonna have a bird fly here today?
I don't know.
On our side. Oh, way up there. Give him a shot here.
It's been falling cable. Oh, there he is.
Oh, Griffin, go. Just shoot him.
He's too far. He's way out there. He's way out there. I ain't wasting shells. Oh, there's one right there.
Oh, there's a good group. Do what?
It's our one opportunity. We blew it.
I never saw that bird.
I didn't either. If I didn't have bad luck, I wouldn't have any at all.
Ain't nobody hitting nothing.
I know.
You wanna try them?
Yes.
Gotta take what we can get.
I just got smoked. What just hit my head?
Are you kidding? I suck. Oh my God.
About to come right over us.
Nice shot, LD. Clear, clear. All the birds have been flying behind us, so we moved about 100 yards down this hill right here into a cow pasture. Might have moved too late, but we're gonna try it anyways.
No bueno.
We back in the speakers, back in black, getting blasted in the bleachers. It's probably true what my mama said.
Did you get that one?
I just killed that.
We back in the saddle, back on stage, making the whole place rattle.
God, I suck.
With the 18 train on the track, thought we were gone, but you're wrong. That was on.
We're moving for the third time. Hopefully third time's a charm. We're gonna find out.
There we go.
This thing's ridiculous.
Whip that one.
He's down there. I think I definitely hit him.
Nice shot, brother. Okay, so that shoot was great. They kept splitting us. A lot of times we didn't have a lot of shots that were really close, but we happened to drive by a field this afternoon. Just you know, lollygagging around. Seen about 200 birds. That was the third spot that we went to. We got there late. They weren't really flying, obviously, but we're gonna get after them in the morning. There was 250, 300 birds easily in that field. They're on the backside, so maybe tomorrow will be a good shoot, but we'll catch you in the morning. Also, if you like the merchandise, link below in the description. You can get a sick hat like this along with, like, I don't know, 8 others, shirts, hoodies, whatever. Link below. Check it out. Red, you got anything to say?
It's a beautiful morning for the hunt. All we can do is throw some lead at them, see how we do. Behind that bird. Right here. Right here. Right here.
Griffin smoked that one.
Daggum sure did, boy. Good shot, Griff.
Griffin putting in big boy work over there, son.
Ground swatting.
Ground
SWAT team.
Ground SWAT team, baby.
Members, Griffin.
Hi, bird. Jordan. Jordan, over you.
What a double. What a shot, kid. Oh, boy.
Ooh, that woodpecker about got it.
Boy, I was excited. Look, Griffin's shooting.
He just shot at it.
Get out of our dove field.
Is that illegal?
I don't know. I don't even know if that was a woodpecker.
I don't even
Might have been a
know.
hawk. Who knows? That's illegal. Good job, Griffin.
God almighty.
Jordan don't miss.
Jordan don't miss.
Jordan don't miss. Right here. Right here. Right here. Here. Right here. Why did we get off our stand, Ridge? I don't even know what to say. Disappointed. Dadgummit. Come on, bird. Come on, bird.
That was a poke, dude.
My dog can't get across the fence. Come on, May. I'll pick you up, girl. Come here. I hope this fence ain't on. Bird.
You got anything you want to tell the people?
If Griffin Stalvey invites you on a dove hunt, always second guessing.
What the heck was that?
I believe that was a desk pop.
He said, I heard my name.
Oh, that's funny. I thought he was coming over.